Welcome back. In this video, we will cover how to update stock inventory numbers to ensure accurate counting of stocks. So let's hop back into our test store over here, and we will go ahead and click on inventory. These are all of our product SKUs. We have about, I believe, 45 on this page, and you'll notice that most of them are set to 0. Now, you can either update these numbers manually, or you can do a bulk upload with a CSV upload. Let me demonstrate the manual way one by one. So over here, I'll click on 0, and maybe I have 15 pieces over here. This one I might have 13 pieces. This one I might have 3 pieces. You can go down the list and update each of these numbers. In a later video, we will cover how to bulk update these quantities with a CSV upload.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.